Hello, dear board students. Yes, in this second session of Valuation of Goodwill chapter, we will be taking up super profit method. But let me tell you, we have already completed two very important profit methods, that was how to calculate average profit and how to calculate weighted average profit, because in remaining these methods they will play very vital role to find out the value of goodwill. Now about super profit method. Under this method, capital employed by business, expected rate of return, expected profit, average profit, all these concepts are used for super profit method. Okay. Now one more thing we need to keep in mind, that is excess of average profit over expected profit is called super profit. Okay. Now to calculate goodwill under this method, 6 steps are to be followed. Step number 1, capital employed, that is total assets minus total liabilities. Second step, expected rate of return, always given in the question. Third, expected profit, that is capital employed multiplied by expected rate of return. Step 4, average, that we have already learned, whether it is simple or weighted depends upon the information given in the question. Then super profit, average profit minus expected profit is super profit. Last step, goodwill, that will be super profit multiplied by numbers of years of purchase. Now let's check practical sum of it to get more knowledge of it.
Okay students, now we will be understanding practical impact of super profit method. See, this way a statement can be shown for computation of goodwill. Textbook page 106, question number 8 is given to you. Step 1 to find out super profit method. First step, capital employed, that is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. Total assets given in the question are 6 lakhs rupees and total liabilities 2,50,000. So this way we get capital employed 3,50,000. Expected rate of return, which is step 2, directly given to you in the question, is 10%. Third step, expected profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by expected rate of return. So capital employed is 3,50,000 into 10% gives us expected profit of 35,000 as a result. Let's go to step number 4. On step number 4, we are supposed to calculate average profit. 3 years information is already given in the question. 14-15, 15-16, 16-17, 80, 70, 90. You can say 80, after that 70, decreasing. So average profit is applicable here. Fluctuation in profit is there. So average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years. Total of profit we will find out. Earlier session we have understood how to find out average profit. It comes to total of this 2,40,000. 1, 2, 3 years. So 2,40,000 divide by 3 gives you average profit of 80,000. This we will take to step number 5. Step number 5. Super profit is equal to average profit minus expected profit. Average profit we have found out 80,000. minus expected profit, that was 35,000. So this way super profit comes to 45,000. Now goodwill we will find on the basis of it. 45,000 into number of years of purchase given in the question, that is 3, and you get your goodwill 1,35,000. In this way 6 steps are to be followed to find out super profit method valuation of goodwill. Okay dear, we will do one more question on the basis of weighted average method to understand it more clearly. Let's take one more example of super profit, but now on basis of weighted average method. Page number 106 of textbook, question number 9. Step 1, capital employed, directly given in the question. Here it is 4 lakhs. Expected rate of return, again directly given in the question, 10%. Third step, expected profit, that is capital employed into expected rate of return. It comes to rupees 40,000. Now if you see the information of profit given, 3 years profit 1,20,000, 1,10,000, 1 lakh. Decreasing trend of profit is there. So weighted average profit is applicable, not simple or simple average. Let's give weights to the profit. This also we have understood in another session. Weights we have given. Find out weighted profit. 1,20,000 into 1 gives you 1,20,000. 1,10,000 into 2 gives you 2,20,000. 1 lakh into 3 gives you total of 3 lakhs. If you total it up, it gives you total weighted profit of, so if you total up weighted profit, totals come to 6,40,000. Total of weights if you check 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's find out total weighted profit. Total weighted profit, that is 6,40,000 upon total weights, that is 6. So weighted average profit comes to 1,66,667. Okay, we can take it in this way. Next, step number 5, super profit, which is formula is very simple. Average profit, in this case it is weighted average. So weighted average profit minus expected profit, that is 1,06,667 minus expected profit we have already found out 40,000. So minus 40,000 out of it, you get super profit of 6.7. After finding out super profit, goodwill is super profit into same number of years of purchase, that is 66667. Here number of years of purchase given in the question is already given to you 2 times, multiply by 2. So our goodwill comes to 1,33,334. 1,33,334. This is our desired answer. I hope this is very clear to you. Step 1, capital employed. Step 2, expected rate of return, expected profit, and so on. Very easy and very clear, formula based, step based it is. Thank you.
Yeah, students, let us check now fourth and last method, that is capitalization of profit method. Under this, we will understand simple capitalization of profit method and super profit capitalization method both and practicals of both. First, capitalization of profit method. Under this, average profit of business is computed and it is used to determine its capitalized value on the basis of normal or expected rate of return. Okay? Keep in mind, this type of profit received is called capitalization of profit. Simple 5 steps are there for goodwill valuation, but mind it, capitalized profit means capitalized value of average profit on the basis of expected rate of return. Very important from the point of view of board MCQ. Yeah, let's check simple 5 steps for computation of goodwill. Capital employed, same. Total assets minus total liabilities. Expected rate of return, second. Third, average profit. Fourth, capitalized profit, that is average profit divided by expected rate of return. And fifth step, goodwill, capitalized profit minus capital employed. Okay, now if answer in step 5 is 0 or negative, this shows that firm does not have any goodwill. No goodwill exists in that business unit. Okay.
This comes to grand total of 10,90,000. Let us see total of weights. Total of weights comes to 15. So weighted average profit is equal to total weighted profit, that is 1,09,000, 1,90,000 divide by total weights, that is 15. So we get weighted profit of 72667. Okay. Now fourth step, capitalized profit, that is weighted average profit upon expected rate of return into 100, that is 72,667 divided by expected rate of return, which is given to you in the question, that is 10% upon 10 into 100 gives you capitalized profit of 7,26,670. So simple. Now last step to find out goodwill. Capitalized profit minus capital employed. So this is capitalized profit 7,26,670 minus capital employed. We have found out already capital employed 4,30,000. We will minus 4,30,000. Just insert the value in the formula. We get the goodwill 2,96,670. Okay dear. Just 5 steps to complete the question. Now, dear students, let us go for practical of capitalization of profit method. Steps are there, 5 steps which we have seen. First step, capital employed we have to find out. So simple it is, given in the question directly. If you can check out question, 6 lakhs is the value of assets given minus 1,74,000 is liability. This gives you capital employed of 4,30,000. Expected rate of return or normal rate of return is directly given to you in the question, that is 10%. Okay, go to step 3, average profit. Why weighted average profit? Because if you see the trend of profit 45, 50, 65, 75, 90, increasing trend is there. So we will give weights to the profit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will find out weighted profit on the basis of it.
Yes, dear students, we are now taking up the last method given in our textbook, super profit capitalization method. Under this method, super profit is capitalized directly to determine the value of goodwill by following these below 6 steps. First step, same, capital employed, total assets minus total liabilities. Second step also same, expected rate of return. Third step, expected profit, capital employed into expected rate of return. Fourth step, average profit depending upon whether simple or weighted. And fifth step, super profit, that is average profit minus expected profit. And finally, goodwill is equal to super profit divided by expected rate of return. Here in this method also, if super profit is 0 or negative, then goodwill is also negative. That means that business does not have any goodwill. Valuation of goodwill will be 0 for that firm. Okay, with this we will follow up with the practical of it and complete our session. Thank you.
Okay students, now let's go for practical of capitalized super profit method. Okay, now we are taking question number 11, page number same, that is 106. Okay, capital employed actually is total assets minus total liabilities, but in this question directly capital employed is given to you of 9 lakhs. So we are taking expected rate of return is also directly given to you. Always it is directly given 12%. In this case, third step is to find out expected profit. That is capital employed multiplied by expected rate of return. That will be 9 lakhs multiplied by 12%, which gives you expected profit of 1,08,000. Now, if we further check the step 4, average profit or weighted, we have to see from the information. If you check here, the profit is given to you 1 lakh, 1 lakh 40, 1 lakh 30, 1 lakh 50. So you can see here from 1 lakh 40 it drops down to 1 lakh 30. 1 lakh 40 to 1 lakh 30. That means it shows trend of which profit? Increase, decrease. That is non-symmetrical. In this case, average profit is utilized method to find out average profit. Let's see. Total of profit we will find out in this case. Total of this profit comes to, we have done earlier, we have idea to find out with average profit. Here, total profit divide by number of years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by number of years 5. So we get average profit of 1,40,000 in this way. Now step number 5, super profit. We know, we are aware of this. Average profit just now we calculated. Expected profit 1,08,000 we earlier calculated. So average profit minus expected profit gives you super profit, that is 32,000 rupees. Now final step, goodwill is super profit divided by expected rate of return, that is 32,000 divided by 12%. This way you get goodwill of 2,66,667 rupees. Okay. Now this completes our practical part. Question 12 you can do as homework. Even please go for all illustrations of textbook for practice of all these methods. Keep on doing practice. Practice makes man perfect. Keep this in mind. Thank you.